Here's how to check your watch history on X, formerly Twitter, in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. X does not have a dedicated watch history feature like YouTube, but you can find videos you watched using a few built-in tools. First, tap your profile icon. Go to Profile, then tap Likes. Any video you liked will appear here, including videos you watched before. Go back to the menu and tap Bookmarks. If you saved a video, you can rewatch it here. Tap the search icon. Tap the search bar at the top. Your recent searches can help you find videos you watched earlier. If you replied to a post with a video, go to Profile, Replies. This shows videos you interacted with. If you didn't like, bookmark, or interact with the video, X does not save it in history. To easily find videos later, always like or bookmark them while watching. And that's it. That's how you check watch history on X/Twitter. Subscribe for more X and phone tips.